Hello and namaste everyone. Welcome to 2 Minute Tuesday. My name is Suvedi and today we're going to talk about shorts, how we can upload shorts even though we don't have upload short options, and how using these shorts we can go from 0 to 1000 subscribers as soon as possible. Alright, so keep watching till the end, hit the like button and subscribe if you haven't. So let's begin. So what is YouTube Shorts? So YouTube Shorts is a short video just like a TikTok. It's less than a minute and you film them like this. Not like this, but like this. Okay, when I want to upload shorts, I do not have upload shorts option. I've sent an email to YouTube, I've tried to update my software, I've even sent an email to YouTube, but I didn't get any response. So what can I do? All you can do is just upload that video like you upload your normal video and put a short description, put a nice title, give some tags if you can, and that's all you need to do. YouTube will automatically upload them as your shorts video. As you can see, this is my second channel, Suvedi, which have been experimenting with YouTube Shorts, and they have all come up as shorts video. If you are already in YouTube and you've been making video like this, it's not a problem. All you can do is change the aspect ratio in your editing software, and voila, there you go, that's your shorts ready. YouTube Shorts is also being monetized now. You can even monetize if you are in the United States or in India. As it is a beta version, it will slowly come to other countries as well. But if you are in TikTok, just start uploading your TikTok videos every day and see how you can grow in no time. Plus, if you are not in TikTok, no problem. It is only 1 minute long. You can just film anything, edit it quickly on your mobile phone, and voila, you can see your growth from 0 to 1000 in no time. On that note, thank you very much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any questions, please write in the comment below. I'll try and answer them as soon as possible. Till then, ciao for now.